We are video inspecting the pull lines for Goodall 7282 Old Mill. Pipe is smashed at the gate, the non-latch side of the gate post. As you could see there in the video, the rest of the pipe pulling back looks fine. That was the return. Now we're in the supply. We can't see the pipe being busted here, but it is full of stones. It's just cloudy now. We had stirred up from the first locate, but it was full of stones. They're both right underneath the gate, non-latch side, the opposite of the latch. End of recording.